You're in a hostel, you want a hearty breakfast, and you think you will have to go out to a restaurant or to your canteen to have that. You're wrong. You can have it in your dormitory, you can have it in your room. All you need is a pan, some eggs, some butter, and some milk. Let's make some yummy scrambled eggs. So, first things first, we break 3 eggs in a bowl. Of course, you can use as many eggs as you desire. Now I'm going to add some milk to this. Nice. And whip. Okay, so now my rule of thumb is I put 1 pinch of salt for 1 egg. So these are 3 eggs, so 3 pinches of salt. Again, just a quick stir. We're ready to cook them. Now, very important point when you make scrambled eggs, your pan does not need to get too hot and you can't overcook the eggs, alright? So the moment you turn the heat on, put 2 tablespoons of butter, just swirl it around. Now add in your eggs and just don't touch it for 10 seconds. Now very gently just move one side to the other side to the other. Very gently just bring it all together with the help of your spatula. Very gently. Burji nahi banana hai, scrambled eggs banana hai. So we have to handle it very, very delicately. You can see it solidifying a little. Keep the flame very, very low. Feeling a little extra indulgent, you can add some cheese to this. And again, just gently stir it. And that's it. You are done. Take them out in your serving bowl. Just crack in some pepper. You want to add some more cheese on top, you're ready to go.